The first thing I did was I called her.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa wàhálà míì tuntun ṣẹlẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀rín Lizzy Anjorin ọkọ Tóyìn Abraham àti arábìnrin tí ẹ rí tí ó ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Wàhálà míì tuntun ṣẹlẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀rín àwọn mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta o àbí àwọn mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin la máa pè é. Ẹ fi ara balẹ̀ kí ẹ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ náà, kí ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀rín gbogbo wọn, kí ẹ dẹ̀ mọ nǹkan tí ẹ máa sọ sí ọ̀rọ̀ náà nínú comment section.
This thing called Lizzy Anjorin, I called her. I said, Liz, what's going on? Why you did it? She said, Toyin set her up. Toyin did this. I said, but Toyin just had a baby. She said, she waited for the right time to do that. She did this. Yeah, but if it's you cannot take it. There's evidence. Now, this evidence, she always claim what she gets. For once, I was confused. I carried myself. Called Toyin. Toyin, where are you? I had not gone to see Toyin's baby, oh. Toyin, where are you? She said, she's at home. Auntie Yabo, Etiwa Money, I'm coming. I've been busy, I've been working, but I saw what happened. She said, Auntie, I don't even understand right now. I went to see that poor girl that day. I didn't climb upstairs because our in-laws were there. There were a lot of people in the house. I stayed downstairs. Toyin came downstairs to meet me. She was crying already, safe. Auntie Yabo, omi ti gbẹ lọ́yàn mi. In fact, shocking. The shock was so much for her that she could not produce milk to feed her baby. This one is confirmer. I asked Toyin, give me your phones. Toyin said, Auntie Yabo, clever phone, give me your phones. I collected Toyin's phone. I now went to her WhatsApp. I was looking for a group. Maybe she has a group of, titans. Auntie Yabo, kí ni wà lórí phone? I said, where is the group? Where is the group of titans? I want to dismantle the group. I want to... Why are your fans going there to bully her and write petition and do everything? She just said, Auntie Yabo, believe me. Auntie Yabo, shame me. That's what Toyin said. Auntie Yabo, shame me. So ẹ wá síbí báyìí láti wá confirm irọ́ tí Lizzy ń pa mọ́ mi. Why would I want to set up? Kí ni àti Lizzy jọ ń fà? We don't shoot the same kind of movies. We don't do the same kind of business. We are not age mate or age set. We are not dating the same man and married. So I don't understand what is the connection, Auntie Yabo. They want to phone me. Oh yeah, I go through. Oh yeah, wo dada. Even when I turn, Emma still return phone. Emma take phone yellow. Emma, she called her PA. Bá mi mú phone kan wá lókè yẹn náà tún mú phone wá. Ẹgbà ẹ kúkú kó gbogbo ẹ lọ. She gave me password. Auntie Toyin is alive. Ask her. Toyin started crying. She was crying. We were downstairs in the compound. She was crying. Auntie Yabo, believe me. Shaking the cut. I said, my baby. I started begging. I did not see Toyin's baby that day. Because of this stupid Lizzy Anjorin. I did not see Toyin's baby that day. I did not climb upstairs.